What's up guys, welcome to this video. In this video we are going to be looking into the Bitcoin chart and also the GBP/USD chart, and also in the end of this video I'll be revealing to you a coin that you should be buying right now. Okay, and the coin is about to pump again. I got into it the first time, made about 50% plus, and guys, I'm buying this coin back again, and I will show you this coin at the end of this video, so make sure to watch the end. If you're new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe, share, like, comment, and also give us a thumbs up so that we can boost this channel up to 3K subscribers. Let's get down to business. Now, if we go to the charts, first of all, I want us to look at the entire crypto market cap chart and see what is going on there. Now, we're currently at a very crucial level, which is the $1 trillion level. Okay, and this is a key level where if we are able to break out of this key level, I believe that is going to be the beginning of the bull run. But before that, I want to show you some things real quick. Now, if we look at this is a daily chart, and as you can see, after falling all the way from this top right here, creating this kind of head and shoulder pattern, this rolling over pattern right here, after we hit the peak of the previous bull run around November 2021, we've been trending downwards, and there's actually three things we can actually two major trend line we can draw from here. If we draw this trend line over here, we can see that we've broken out of this downtrend. Okay, that is the first one. The second one is this one right here. When we draw this area, this one will come down, okay, to the recent happenings, and we draw this trend line also, we see that we've broken out of it. So what this simply means is that we're actually we are gradually exiting the accumulation phase, okay, of the market cycle. So this is actually time that you need to start looking for coins to buy. Now, there's also a key area somewhere around here, which is where I'm actually very interested, which is the $1 trillion market cap level. So, but what I think is going to happen right here is that since we are touching this place for the first time since November last year, okay, what I think is going to happen is that we are going to come down to retest this levels right here, this level right here, this level. This is what I think is going to happen. We'll come to retest this level right here, then we can see a push upwards. Why? Because of those trend lines that I showed that we have broken out, meaning we are actually breaking out of the accumulation phase. But if we happen to go down backwards, then we are going to retest the trend line itself and continue. But I don't think we are going to the market is going to keep going down and down and down, as we've been seeing over the past months or the past weeks so far. So that is what I think about the market cap. So what this simply means is that the market is recovering, all right, but in the meantime we need to see some corrections, because if we don't see corrections and we keep shooting upwards, it's going to be bloody along the way. So let's head over to the Bitcoin chart and see what the king is doing. Now, this initially I did share a video where I entered a trade right here. If I go down to the smaller time frame, he actually did retrace. I entered a trade somewhere here. He actually did retrace. I took some profits around this area, moved my stop loss, then he went and just shoot, boom, took me out of that trade, broke even actually, and yeah, I'm currently waiting. Now, if we go to the 4-hour time frame, we will see that we are currently creating a kind of a higher high here, higher low, and higher high. And what I think is going to happen is that we are going to two scenarios actually, because let's go to the daily. If you take a look at this place, you see that this area here is a major key level area. So there are two things I'm waiting for Bitcoin to do. Either we'll go up here to test this level, then come back and continue upwards, or we are just going to test this line right here, okay, then shoot up here, then maybe broke out or something like that. But what I believe is that we are clearly in an uptrend. We are clearly in an uptrend. Yeah. So, but at this level right here, I will not advise you entering any trade right now. Okay, I don't advise enter any trade because this is more like entering trade at the middle of in the middle of nowhere. What I advise you do is that you wait for us to hit this level right here, which is around 24,500 or thereabouts. Then wait for some reaction, either breaking out or we'll see a retracement. Then we can short the market. Or and another thing we can do is to wait for the market to retrace back down to around 21,500 or 21,600. Then we long the market, thereby creating breaking those completely breaking this structure right here, creating a high, then retesting to a higher, creating a higher low right here, and continue upward. So in the meantime, I am not trading anything in Bitcoin. Rather, what I will be doing is accumulating some coins, okay, and holding them in my increasing my portfolio. Rather, any dip right now is an opportunity to buy. That's just the simple truth. Any dip right now is an opportunity to buy. So that is what I'm expecting for Bitcoin. Then let's head over to forex and see what I'm doing with forex. Now if we go to gbpusd, which is of course the only pair I trade in forex, you will notice something right here. I did place a trade yesterday. Actually, it's the second trade I've placed this week, and it's been going very well. I did short all the way here, closed when we hit this level. Then yesterday I opened another trade right here because of something. Now if we look backwards, we will see that this is kind of an uptrend, okay? But if we draw this trend line, the one I drew over here, okay, using these two areas right here as our area for the trend line, then we will notice that we've broken that trend line, and also there's a pattern that was created here. There is a head and shoulder pattern right here. As you can see, this is a head, this is a shoulder, and this is a shoulder, and this is a neckline, and we broke the neckline. And after broken that neckline, we did create a breakout structure. As you can see, this is the low. Then we actually broke it here the first time. This was a change of character. We broke it here, retested, and since we were unable to create another high right here, it simply means that this was going to come back down. That was why I entered the first trade, which I closed around here. Then we retested again, and right now, on average, this is where my entry is right now, and I'm hoping for those markets to first of all hit my first target right here, which is around 1.227. It has already hit. I've taken some profits here, but I'm still expecting it to come down because of this breakout structure and this head and shoulder pattern on the 2-hour and 4-hour time frame. Okay, so I'm expecting gbpusd to retrace back down. Now another thing that makes me to confirm this trade, apart from the technical side from the gbpusd, is that before I show you that, let me just show you something. If you can see, this is a key area right here, and when you get to key levels and you form something like double tops or head and shoulder patterns, or you have some bearish divergences over there, there's a high possibility that we're going to retrace back. Now let me show you other things why I think that the BTC gbpusd, somehow they are still going to retrace a little bit before we continue upward. Let's head over to the DXY, the dollar index. Now if we go to dollar index, we'll notice something right here. On the 4-hour time frame, I love using the higher time frame. Sorry if I don't use 15 minutes, but that is how I trade, because I love entering trades that have higher probability. I love getting away from the noise in the market, because the 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, I only use 1 hour sometimes for my entry. Okay, so those time frame, they are more like a lot of manipulation, a lot of noise in the market. So I don't like noise, I don't like the crowd. That is how I roll. So now if we take a look at the dollar index, go to the daily right here, we'll notice something. We've been trending upwards. Okay, we've been trending upwards. That was why we've been in the bear markets for some time, or that is a sign that everything trading against the dollar has been on the downtrend, because the dollar has been on the uptrend. But for some months right now, the dollar has been going down since, I think, since November. Dollar has been going down. Now this area right here where we have the dollar right now is a very key zone, a key level. So now what technically should happen in this place is that, like I also said in my previous video, we are going to see a bounce to retest this upper trend line, you know, of this channel, okay, of this channel right here. So now once this happen, we are going to see asset like BTC correcting backwards. We are going to see GBPUSD correcting backwards. That is one of the reasons why this trade right here is valid. You get the point now. So that's what I think is going to happen dollar index. But generally, okay, on the long term, I think the dollar index might continue downwards, down to this level, okay, because technically it is just going downwards. If you can see, the RSI is just bearish. So right now what I think is that there's going to be recovery in the markets for pairs that are trading against the dollar index or the US dollar. So guys, now let's show you the coin I want you to buy as at now. Now this coin, TWT, Trust Wallet Token, is a coin that I bought somewhere around here. And why did I buy this coin? I bought this coin because when I went to the higher time frame, I saw this right here. This was an ascending triangle, which is a very, very bullish triangle. And this was my target. This was how I did my target. Target was around 2, this area. I bought around 1.2 or so, and I took profit somewhere around here. Then I exited the market. I did exit the market. Now currently we've retraced a lot, going back to retest this level. See, the market does not go shoot up, does not go up in a straight line. It will always go up, come back to retest key levels, and continue. So what I think is going to happen to TWT or Trust Wallet Token is that it's going to follow this trend line right here, okay, using this area and this area as key supports or trend supports, or whatever you want to call it, as supports. Then it will continue going upwards, okay. And if this continues to, maybe when the market starts recovering, like as we are seeing right now, then it will just continue shooting to like 2.5 again, then $3, and the whole rest of them. So I'm buying this coin. Every single dip on this coin, I'm buying it as of now. So you might want to also buy this coin. But guys, nothing I share on this channel is a financial advice, but guys, this is the reality of crypto. The volatility makes us money, it also makes us lose money, but you have to win more than you lose. That is just what the game is all about. So guys, if you love this video, if you love what we do right here, please make sure to give us a thumbs up, share this video, subscribe, and also support us in every way you can. Thank you guys, and do have a lovely day ahead. Bye.